All right.
Got my screenshot. I don't think I was perfectly center. I think it's close enough.
What are you guys doing?
I took 2 just in case.
Oh, that's fine. So here's mine with 8 times zoom. It's not directly center, but I think it's close enough for what we're doing. And I'm at about 9.1.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to walk inside.
I'll do one that I was a little off, and I just want to send the other one because I felt like I got it better, if that's cool.
No, whatever you think is better.
Okay.
Yeah, the second one is basically there. I think for what we're doing, it's fine.
Okay. Because it was cloudy. You see the clouds. It's kind of hard.
Right. Yeah. But I think it's close enough. And now I'll be like a minute and a half getting into my room.
What are you guys doing there?
We're going to do a super rough calculation of the distance to the moon.
Oh, can I join? Because I'm in the Southern Hemisphere. That's not relevant, but
Yeah,
we're not trying to do
why not?
a pyramid
If
now.
we get
We're
4
doing.
people, can't we make a pyramid?
We could potentially, if we want to complicate it. That's fine.
With 3 people, we can combine we can get a consistency out of data, because if 2 lines intersect in one point, it doesn't guarantee a third line is going to intersect at the same point unless data is consistent.
Nice. Let's do it, Bacon.
Right now.
We need to redo the picture, though, then.
Oh, fuck. I got to walk outside again? Fuck.
No, you don't need to. The amount of time isn't going to change your result much.
If Bacon just does it in the next, 20 seconds, hurry up, Bacon.
Okay, we're back.
Just hang out your window.
Yeah, the moon's moving the whole time, bro. Ain't nothing stopping that Earth spin. All those songs, the world turns
14 degrees per
Can't
hour.
stop, won't stop. Well, it's only going to change. It'll take an hour for it to change 15 degrees. So that means in half an hour,
it's a bit longer than that.
So it's like what is it? 2 minutes for a degree? No, 4 minutes for a degree. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm on my laptop. I'm gonna do the. Go ahead.
I'm sorry, I didn't give it access to my GPS, so it doesn't have the coordinates. So I'll just have to tell.
No, good. No, good. That's fine. Again, we're not being super high precision, so that's fine.
Can I plot it? I can plot it.
I'm going to do the trigonometry between me and him first, and then how about Bacon? You accumulate all of the information, and then you do yours.
Okay, I think it's easier just to plot on Blender, but yeah, let's do that.
No. Whatever you think is easier. I'm just going to do basic trigonometry between 2 observers, and then you can do 3 observers and complicate it. Not complicate it in a bad way. I'm not trying to be shitty about that. But you can do the technical part of it.
What trigonometry do you want to do?
Oh, I'm just going to do basic. So I'm going to get a rough distance between me and Torah, and then we both have our angles, and then boom. So I'm assuming a flat Earth at the moment, and then what the distance to the moon would be under those conditions, basic conditions. But you could do with a sphere, all 3 observers, and then where those intersect.
How are you getting the angle? The 2 angles of the triangle.
We used the Theodolite app, and we both took a picture.
Yeah, I see. I saw it. I used it too. But what angle are you using? You're gonna need to combine both the azimuth and the elevation, and then get a vector.
We're a flat Earth for this map.
Yeah, me too. Even on flat Earth, that's not straightforward.
Bacon's right, because I'm at sea level. Are you at sea level?
Oh, that's not why I'm saying that.
Oh, okay, sorry.
No problem. We can assume we're on sea level. That wouldn't make much of a difference. Well, what is going to make a difference is how you're plotting the coordinates and what are those 2 angles inside of the triangle, and both the elevation angle and the azimuth are part of that. So it's not like that straightforward of a math to do. But you go ahead and do whatever you were had in mind.
Yeah, fuck you, Bacon. Yeah.
Sorry, but I think it's more complicated than that. But I'll do mine stuff.
Of course, it's more complicated. We're doing a rough calculation. No one here is breaking mathematics or deciding Earth shape in this very moment. No one's doing any of that. It's just basic baby steps.
Yeah, but like if I don't think that's not just that it's not going to be accurate. I think it's a very
Correct.
different answer. It's going to be a very different answer.
Yes, we are well aware of the approximation. Correct.
Oh, I said that this is not an approximation. It's just a very different answer. That's what I meant to say.
Right. It's an approximation using the limitations of our tools and the precision of not being that precise. Correct.
That's not what I said, but sorry, go ahead.
No, that's what I'm saying.
I kind of disagree with that, but I don't want to be that person. So,
Bio,
Don't
are you able to put up
ruin
the?
our fun?
sorry.
Are you
Yeah,
able to
you're
put up
definitely
the geometry on an image or something?
What happened?
Are you able to show the geometry for what you're about to solve?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm just doing a basic triangle calculator. Where the fuck did my screenshot go?
Because to my mind, there's for two people, there's 3 triangles to solve.
No,
Why?
there's just one.
You're not underneath the moon, so you need to solve
yeah.
your offset.
No, we're doing the big triangle, and then we're gonna cut that triangle in half.
Can I have you guys coordinates?
Fuck no, Bacon. Fuck
What are
no.
you talking
Oh,
about,
how am I going to do the math?
Can I have your address?
Oh, well, you can give me with just 0.1 precision of degree. That's like the size of a couple neighborhoods. It might not be even.
I don't know where I posted. Torah, can you post that same screenshot you posted? Because I can't find it now.
It's in the open chat.
Oh, open chat. I was in main text. Sorry.
Yeah.
I see it now. Okay.
Yes, Bacon. You want to 1 degree? You're saying, or to 1/10?
Oh, yeah. Like
That'll
to
be
point.
right? I'm fine with that.
Yeah, like
Just
mine.
give me an
Mine's
address, bro. I look forward to seeing you guys.
mine is 25.5 south and 54 and a half west. Kind of like this. So just one digit precision, let alone.
Okay.
They won't tell me your house, but like it's gonna tell me your city, which is good enough.
Okay.
Sorry to force myself into this. I just think this is a lot of fun.
Nah, fuck you, Bacon. That's fine. Whatever. Who cares? We were having fun. Now it's like a fucking homework assignment.
Dude, I'm just gonna get. I can be accurate with the town. How's that? Like, if you just Google
The town's
latitude,
fine.
longitude of your town.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Okay, cool. Mine is. You ready, Bacon?
Uh huh.
Okay, 27.2545 degrees north.
Uh huh.
80.2298 degrees west. Read them back to me.
Yeah, around it. So I got 27.25 north and 80.23 west.
Yes.
Oh, you're 1,147 miles from me.
And that's using like just our Google Maps or whatever, right?
Yeah. Can you give me yours? Okay, let me just use mine in Torah first, then I'll add Bio.
I have mine when you're ready.
Okay.
I guess I typed in those coordinates wrong because that shows in the middle of the Gulf Coast. I must have typed it wrong.
Let me see. I get it.
It shows like the middle of the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, I think you got it
Is
wrong
that
because I
east or
got
west?
That's because he rounded. Yeah, that's great. Wait, could it be that far?
Florida. I got Florida.
I typed it in 27. What do you say? 2715 and
No,
88 27.35
25.
25 north. Okay, and then 8813 west.
No,
80.
80.22 or 23.
Oh,
Sorry.
80.
Jensen
Okay.
Beach.
I got it 80.
Jensen Beach, right?
Yeah.
I'll share.
Okay.
I'll share my Blender stuff if anyone wants to follow along.
God, and man, amazing how far
Woo, Blender.
8 degrees will put you.
Oh, Arm is here. I'm surprised he's not part of the whole thing.
Man,
What is-
8 degrees is a big
I'm in the middle of a
jump.
match right now of a
Holy
game, but
shit.
I will be in just a second though. I'll
Fair
be right
enough.
back.
Like I'm actually thoroughly surprised there. Like that 8 degrees made that much of a difference. Like holy
Yeah, it's
shit.
1 degree per 69 miles, right?
Yeah, but I mean the
So
middle
it's only
of the
about
Gulf of
500 miles.
middle of the Gulf of Mexico all the way over to the freaking eastern edge of Florida. Wow.
Yeah,
Which is
Florida's
500 miles?
I thought it was going to be a lot further than that for the distance, but it turned out it's not really that bad.
What's going on, Noah?
Got off work kind of early, so I'm just driving home right now.
No, we're looking at your future right now, the moon.
The future.
I don't even have to give my coordinates.
Yeah, bro, I'm looking at the moon right now. That's not gonna happen for you for a little while.
I think we can even guess the GPO of the moon using this data. Pretty sure we can get that to at least 2 degrees accuracy. If we have three sites. Let's see.
But you had to look south to see the moon, right?
Towards south and east or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
and
of course,
yeah.
east is rising.
Okay, so elevation first. I'll do Torah first.
I'm about to provide my calculations in a moment. I just
Oh,
had
which
to
one?
find something.
Which one did you take together with Baidu? Was the first or the second?
He did both, but he thinks the second one is better.
Okay. Yeah, that'll be closer to mine too. So I'll best to use that one. So the elevation there is 12 degrees. Is that it?
Yep.
Oh, quite low. Mine was very high in the sky.
Where are you at, Bacon?
Brazil, south of Brazil.
Nice. That's beautiful, dude.
Yeah. I'm beyond the Tropic of Capricorn. Slightly. Because I'm 25.5 degrees south.
Oh, we like live in the same kind of climate then.
Woo.
Is it hot there?
Oh man, boy, is it hot! You get ready for
Well,
a brutal one this year.
It's whoop.
Does it snow when it's winter?
No, not at all. I don't live in elevation though. You might, do you?
No. It doesn't snow here. I never seen snow in my life.
Wow, dude,
Wow.
you're so lucky. I fucking have to
know.
live with like 6 to 8 months of snow and fucking freezing cold. And I have to walk uphill both ways to work.
Dude, that makes
No
people
boots
love
on,
each
dude.
other,
It's fucking
man.
sucks.
You know, you got to get all close together to keep warm
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah,
Wait,
how
how is
real
it? How
close.
is it?
Yeah, it's called cabin fever, and some people end up killing each other.
How is it uphill both ways to work? Like from and to work, it's both uphill.
Because it's a
Because
globe.
it's on a globe, bro.
Oh,
Shit, dude. Look, I feel bad for the Globers, man. They always have to be walking uphill.
So hard. You know? We gotta work so hard to be on this globe that we love, on it to be so bad. I don't know why we have to make it so hard for ourselves.
Yep.
Okay,
You guys
so
got it easy. Sorry.
your latitude you said is 22, 25, 22. Sorry, 22.25. Forgot already.
Yes.
27.
27.25 and
27 point
80.23.
25. Now the longitude, it's
0.23.
80.23. Okay, we get a first ray to the moon here. Okay, let me not do the second one. Can I copy this? Go back and paste. Should have done that before. Oh, I can.
I should have told you, Biodual, to just do 4 times because I have a crappy phone.
No, that's all good. I mean, the A time still gets there.
Okay, I'll do mine now. Oh, but there's like almost a minute delay between ours. I hope that's not an issue.
No, because it's Earth rotation's 1 degree every 4 minutes. So if yours was a minute later, it's fine.
Let me use yours instead of mine because it's closer. Let me see how that goes. Can you give me your coordinates approximated?
Yeah, 42.29.
42.29.
Yep, and then west 71.57.
Right. It's not that far from Torah. Okay, what's your elevation? The elevation to the moon. Elevation angle to the moon.
9.1.
Oh, that's quite low too. Azimuth?
It was lower earlier. It was actually crazy. I don't know what you mean by azimuth. What you want from that?
It's it's like there's two components in that direction: elevation and azimuth. Azimuth is the horizontal.
Oh, you want the my heading?
Yes. So for example, Torah 1 is 122. What's yours?
Yeah. Mine is approximately 129.
Right, 129. Okay, let's do it. So first elevation 9.1.
You know why I think it's higher in the sky for you? What time is it for you right now?
Now it's almost 11 p.m.
11 p.m. Wow, you're way east of me, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, how are you?
Brazil is easter than.
Oh, that's right. You're
the
Brazil. US. I was thinking you were European. I was like, how are you just an hour off?
Wait, that's crazy. So the reason I think it's higher in Bacon sky is since the moon is in the southern sky for me, I think it's closer to him.
Yeah, the definitely is closer to me. It's like the high, how high it is. It's basically how close it is. Okay, so 90 degrees. Now I'm gonna need. Oh yeah, I already have it. So your latitude is 42.29.
Oh,
and
you're
longitude,
streaming all this. I'm sorry, Bacon. I'll join your stream right now.
I'll put the texture of the Earth here. And your longitude is 71.57.
Hey, Bacon, how did you get my azimuth? Was that on my picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the bottom value. So like if you want to pull up your app, you can find north. It's basically a compass. So you can like spin where you are, and when it says 0, that's north. And then you can spin around, and then that's your yeah.
Got you. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Seems accurate too. I just checked to make sure.
I think I screwed it up because those tubes are not long enough to intersect. They look quite parallel, actually. It might be even diverging.
Millions of miles.
I think they're diverging a little bit. Yeah, they're diverging. Okay, let me put mine now.
We are approximating, by the way.
Yeah. You and Torah are too close to each other. Maybe mine would get might get an intersection. So let me copy this.
Oh no!
And go back.
Oh my god! If it was actually like that, if your hair was that.
Who's that in the background?
What?
Look what I can do.
Demon hot mic.
Isn't that cute?
Fucking demon, always hot micing.
But a really short
Gotta
layer.
say something.
Okay, I'll do mine now. So mine, I'm not gonna post my picture because he has the coordinates on it.
No, that's fine. I
Um,
posted mine, but whatever. Who cares?
No, but mine
Bacon's
has
asking
too
us
many.
for-
Mine has
you're
too many
asking us-
digits. You
Come
can
on, you're
pinpoint my
asking us
house.
for longitude, latitude. You want to know exactly where we are, and you're like, I'm not gonna tell you guys where I am.
I'll share mine, but like
No, you're good,
not
man.
with
I'll
all,
proxy.
I'm kidding.
not with 6 digits.
No, you're good. I'm at a hotel, so I don't give a shit. I'm out of town.
Okay, so my elevation was 57.2, and my azimuth was 103. Now let me move it to the North Pole. Put on the origin of the coordinate system. My latitude is 25.5 south. My longitude is 54.5 south.
Holy shit.
Oh, sorry, west. Let's see. Yeah, mine's they're diverging quite a lot.
You're on a ball, of course. There is every line diverges, doesn't it?
Oh shit! That means it's
It's not a globe.
a flat
Wow,
Earth.
flat Earth confirmed.
All right, flat Earth, what's
To-
up?
Dun, dun,
To be-
dun.
To be super fair, there are discrepancies in the coordinate system that we're using. We're rounding to the 100th, or at least I did, and then using our shaky goddamn hands to approximate an angle to the moon.
We weren't off by much though. You were at 9, and
Yeah.
you're about an hour behind me.
Okay,
I
so
was at 12. I'm an hour ahead of you. And
No,
Bacon.
we're same time zone.
What's your angle, Bacon?
my angle,
To the moon.
57.2 was the elevation, and 103 was the azimuth.
Dang. He's only an hour, but he's that far south.
Let's see what's
Which is
stellarium.
close to the moon that in his perspective it's way high up, and for us it's way down low.
Wait,
His
well,
perspective
Bacon.
causes this effect of setting.
No.
on the
This would
horizon.
appear to be a bad calibration on Bacon's part because it was rushed.
yeah, that. But also,
No,
I mean,
no. I'll show my picture. You see that it's like very pinpoint in the center of the moon. I did it very nicely.
Yeah,
Just
no. I mean, you didn't take the time to calibrate the app, so the angle it was reporting is not necessarily accurate.
well, hold on though. Hold on, real fast.
We did check that. I checked it on a 90-degree wall.
Wait, but how?
Actually, it was granite.
But how is Bacon real fast? Like getting the direction, like like north, south. You know what I'm saying? Like the heading, whatever you want to
azimuth,
call
it's
it.
on the app. It's on the app. The app tells you elevation and azimuth.
But I mean, like in Blender, though, how do you account for that in Blender? Like, how does that work?
I'll show you. So I'll go back. I'm doing an example here. Yeah, screw this. So I create this platform, kind of does nothing, kind of irrelevant actually, and then I'll create a big arrow or big cylinder to point at the moon.
Yeah.
Let me rotate this 90 degrees, make it huge. Okay, then I'll move away from, let me see. Okay, there you go. So here's the initial position. It's pointing at positive y. And first thing is I apply the elevation. So I selected my rotations to be always around the cursor, which is in the origin, right?
Uh-huh.
So for example, I'll do mine is 57.2, I think. I forgot already. But this is clockwise, so I gotta do it negative. So it goes up instead of down. So this is my elevation. Now if I look from upwards, or I can move this to my platform like this, and then move the two things to the origin of coordinate system. Now I'm looking from like from Africa.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 57 degrees above the platform, but it's pointing north, right? The direction is north.
Yeah.
So all I gotta do is just rotate to my azimuth, which is 103. So that's 103 azimuth with 57 elevation.
Yeah.
But that's pointing north. So now first I place myself in the correct latitude,
Mm-hmm.
which is here, and then on the longitude. So if I do it in this order, I don't screw up the azimuths.
All right. That works.
Oh, I might have done. Let's see.
Yep. Position your longitude first, then do the latitude.
No, it's the other way around. If I position my longitude first, the amount of how much I'm going to go away from the equator when I rotate for the latitude is going to vary. I have to rotate for the latitude first. If I'm starting here and I'm using the coordinate axis to make rotations, I need to do an X rotation first to place me on the latitude, and then a Z rotation to place me on the longitude. So that's the direction. Does that make sense? We can.
So
we
what
can
was
check.
your?
Mm.
Yeah, try it my way, and show me what it looks like. Because I could well be wrong.
I know you're wrong. I do this all the time. Sorry, I'll do your way. Let's see.
So it's just when it comes to 3D, I'm very visual.
Right.
Like if you just take what you have there and undo back to the
Yeah, let me copy
latitude, longitude
this.
placement.
Like this. Let me hide this one. Okay, so I'm here. I'm at the origin of coordinate system. You want me to place me at the longitude first?
Actually, no, sorry. What I meant was rotate along the longitude line, which is your latitude value. So you are correct, and I
Okay.
misinterpreted.
Fair enough. Yeah, I think some of us probably have a bad measurement. Let's compare to stellarium. Let's put ourselves into our same locations at the same time and see what stellarium tells us that we should be measuring.
I gotta go smoke again, so we could try to do a three person measurement at the same time.
That would be nice. Wanna go for that, Torah?
I'll be ready in about 2 or 3 minutes.
Anyone else wants to join? Like the more data, the best. Because if there's just one that is wrong, you'll be very clear which one it is, so we can throw that out. I'll check stellarium now. So let me see how much I should measure.